Ito ang aming workshop, guys. Dating opisina ng mga kwan. Yan. Busy mga trupa.
هنا
Yan kasama namin. Yan, bago.
Yeah, I know. Here
One yan.
not link bridge.
Saudi boy.
See there, find light.
Boss! Boss!
هذا لايف.
America.
America.
This is my new friends here. Maman.
يلا. Carry the ladder. I will carry this stove. You carry
Di,
the ladder.
nalinis na ba yan?
Bubos.
Di pa yata eh.
Take ladder. Dito? Take ladder.
No?
Take ladder, my friend. Take ladder.
Mayroon na kami TV.
I have back pain.
Mayroon na kami TV sa pisina. Yan.
I drive yesterday. I swim yesterday. Boss. Oh, yeah. Give it to me. Carry the ladder, ha? Because I have too much back pain. Take ladder. Take the ladder. Check the ladder small. Check the ladder. Too much back pain, Ana. This for who? This one? Who's the friend watching?
My friends watching is
From America.
from Iraqi.
Iraqi.
This guy, Ezekiel Leandro from Iraq.
Oh, this is
Yes.
a new Arabic name, huh? Yalla, let's go.
Let's go to the words.
Clean?
Magtrabaho na daw sila.
Boss? May ano tayo, pupuntaan?
Wala eh. Sabi ng Engineer Rosman, huwag daw muna eh. Mayroong
It's so much. Yeah.
mayroong asokal.
This time I'm carrying
Ito, hindi na hugasan to.
This time, all the time. Let's go. Yalla.
Trabaho. Nautusan. Lasim, shield ladder Saudi. Ha?
Take leather. Oh, take leather.
Kaliwali bakpin. Finish clearance? Ha?
No.
Kam bagi.
Ada tiket. Bas.
Wrong device. May miss call kayo sa telepon, no?